What's up, guys? This is Will, and I'm back with another video. And today we got the Motorola Moto G6 Play in the house. So I picked this up from Walmart for $79.99, 80 bucks. This is a lower tier device. This is not your high spec device that you can pick up. This is like a budget type device. But I've been watching some videos from some of my favorite guys that I like to watch on YouTube: BG Tech Life, Phone Tech at Work, and Paul Tech. Those channels, those guys on their channel have been covering this device. So if you haven't seen their videos, go check them out. They got some good coverage on this device. So I just decided to pick it up. Like I said, you can pick this up at Walmart for $79.99, 80 bucks. And I got the Boost Mobile version, but you can also pick it up for Verizon, if I'm not mistaken. Here's the front of the box right here. This has a 5.7 HD touchscreen display, 16 gigabytes of memory, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 1.4 gigahertz quad-core processor. That's the Snapdragon 427, if I'm not mistaken. And here's some more stuff on the back of it here. Now this is running Oreo 8.0 out of the box. Has a 13 megapixel main camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. 5.7 inch HD, like I said. That's going to be 720 by 1440 TFT LCD, about 280 per inch. So let's get in this box and see what we got here. I don't have an unboxing knife, so I'm gonna have to go at it raw dog right here and just get into it. Hopefully it's not too hard. Get this box open. And it's not cooperating like it should be, but bear with me, guys, and we'll get in this. Okay, so it's in another box here too. So that was the Boost Mobile box. And then you have your Motorola box here. Very green. Tells you what it includes: the Moto G Play, the charger, cables, and guides. So let's get this open. Let me get my little unboxing knife here, guys. Wasn't really expecting to have another box in here, but we got it. So let's get this open. I need to get me a better unboxing knife. All right, so let's get this open. Check this out. So here's the device. Get it out of this little cover here. Okay. All right, so let's put that over to the side for now and see what else is included. So you get your SIM ejection tool there. Get your normal book paperwork, warranty information, stuff like that. You get your charging cable here. And if I'm not mistaken, it's micro USB. It's not type C. And then you get your charging brick here. Right there. Not sure if it's quick charge or not. And you also get a nice little case here. So that's nice to have in there. Nice clear gel skin case. Not bad. All of that for 70, 80 bucks. Throw all that back in there and take a look at the phone. So quite sure you've seen all the unboxing on this device already, but I'm doing the unboxing because I want to let my subscribers know that I will be doing some coverage on this device. So here's the sticker on the front of it. Some of the stuff I just said. 4,000 milliamp rapid charge. So it is a quick charge, rapid charge. 5.7 display HD plus. 13 megapixel with fast flash, 1.4 gigahertz processor, has a fingerprint reader and expandable memory, I think up to 128 gigabytes. So here's the back of it, and it is definitely a real good looking device. I think that's a sticker there. And I was trying to see if it had a sticker on the back of it, but no, it doesn't. It's just a real shiny, beautiful looking device. It looks like a blue, but this is nice, man. Let's get this off. All right. Should have went slow with that. Some people like to hear that sound. So here's the device. Ooh, man, this is good looking. Good looking device. Let's get it powered on. 5.7 inch. I think this is an 18:9 aspect ratio as well. I've had Motorola phones in the past and I always enjoyed them. Here's my Moto E4. Still rocking that. Still a great little device. As you can see in comparison, this one is just a little bit taller than the E4, as you can see. And the E4 has that matte back on it like that, but as you can see, the cameras are round, and you do have your Motorola dimple right here in the back as well. So, yeah, man. Let's compare it to another device that I have here. Now, this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Just a size comparison. And as you can see, it's not quite as tall as the Note 8. The Note 8's rocking that 6.2 inch display on it. And this is no way going to be, you know, like your Note 8. I'm just doing it for a comparison here. Of course, I have a skin on the back of my Note 8. But just size comparison right there. So here it is. I'm going to drop some information in and then I'll come right back. Okay, guys, so we're back in it. Drop some information on the phone. Got it past the startup and all that stuff. And I have to say, man, I really like the way this device looks. So let's go around the device right here. You have your volume up and down rockers. Your power switch there. On the bottom, you got your, now the only thing about this is using micro USB. It's not Type-C. You have a microphone hole there. Your SIM card tray right there. Your 13 megapixel camera on the back. You do have your fingerprints sensor right there. This looks like it's not holding too many fingerprints as of now, but I think it's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. And then on the top, you have your earpiece, which is also your speaker, if I'm not mistaken. You have your camera, and you also have a flash, it seems. And then you also have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right there. So it's very thin and slim in the hand. Fits good in the hand right there. Let's go ahead and check this out. And there it is. Just strolling through, as you can see, Google Now coming up there. Seems very responsive right now. So come back in a couple days and do some more coverage on it. Maybe some camera, some picture videos, and maybe do some video as well. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching my unboxing and first look of the Moto.